Hello, my name's Bob Willis and welcome to Defect of the Month, brought to you by the NPL Defect database. Now, in the cabling industry, it is very common to see the use of crimp and compression joints. And there are lots of different types of these connections or interconnections available in the marketplace. And when we're talking about crimp and compression joints, it's important to have some form of control, monitoring, and of course a fundamental understanding of the strength of these joints. So if we take crimping as an example, we must follow manufacturers' recommendations on the crimp size, the barrel, the number of strands of wire which go into the crimp to create the correct cross-sectional area. We must use the correct crimp tools with the correct settings to perform the crimp operation. Otherwise, what tends to happen then is we get either weaker joints or we get damage interconnection and cracking which may occur in the crimp. Now, in complex interconnection, it is good practice to regularly calibrate the tool based on the number of operations it's been through, and certainly to qualify that interconnection right at the very start of the project. Also to make sure that the crimps you're buying, this is the actual individual crimp connectors, are from a reliable source. Now, we know within the industry we've had counterfeit crimps, we've had counterfeit wires, not the actual same material as you've perhaps specified. So again, that calibration and approval, possibly with microsections or pull-off force measurements on a regular basis, will eliminate the possibility of failures. Also, following procedures, documentation, as with the IPC, who've published a very interesting and very useful publication in their IPC 620 document. Now finally, what you really also want to consider when we're talking about crimp connections is training operators properly. Also having some form of certification program for operators, which could be based on IPC or it could be based on your own internal standards and methods and procedures. But training is the key to success in anything that we do.